Hello dear beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hey life fam, welcome back. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this delicious EDO or Beanie black soup. Yeah, it's Beanie black soup. We own this soup. So guys, just keep on watching. I started off by boiling my meat with some peppers, some Maggi, some spices and some onions. As you can see guys, the meat is ready. I'm just taking it off so I can add the rest of my ingredients. So guys, I removed the meat from the stock now, but I still have my stockfish left, so I'm going to be adding my palm cream. So guys, a friend was asking me the other day, I guess it was in my Banga rice recipe. She asked me why I didn't filter my Banga. Guys, if you've ever eaten sand in the Banga soup before, just know that you're using the wrong Banga, okay? This is not a paid ad or anything, but this praise Banga guys is just the best, okay? We have been using this and we have never eaten sand in our Banga soup before. It's time to add in my fresh fish. Guys, there are different ways to make black soup, and here is just one of them. The banga and the fish have been cooking for a while now. Guys, it's time to add my bitter leaf. So this is a frozen bitter leaf that I blended, but if you have the fresh one you can use that. You know, I live in France, so we hardly get the fresh one, so we make use of the frozen one, but it still works. So guys, you can use any leaf of your choice though. Way back in Nigeria, my mom used to use scent leaf, and sometimes she mixes different leaves together to make black soup. So I also watched a recipe when someone used spinach, but I've not tried that before. Yeah. So guys, I just added my banga spices. You can use any spices of your choice. You can decide to cook it like pepper soup and add pepper soup ingredients. Yeah, that's why I said there are different ways to cook your black soup. So now I'm adding my meat back again, not my meat though. The meat I'm using, I just added it back to the soup. You can see the color. It's so beautiful guys, it's so beautiful. So guys, at this stage I'm testing for salt or Maggi because I've not added any apart from the one I used to boil my meat. So it's time to cover and just allow it to cook. So just take a look at that. Take a look at that pot of goodness. So it's time to add my smoked fish. Just take a look at that soup. Look at all the orishi inside. Guys, the only thing missing in this soup is snail. Like, my mom never cooked black soup without snail. I remember way back in Nigeria, guys, sometimes my mom would make this soup with very bitter leaf. Like, she would not wash that leaf. You know, our African parents, they believe bitter leaf is medicinal. So after making the soup, she will pound correct pounded yam. So you'll be seeing pounded yam, seeing all the orishi in the soup, but the bitterness of the soup will be scaring you, but you have no choice. You will be forced to eat the soup. So I just added a little seasoning cube and some salt to the soup because I already used to boil the meat already. So guys, at this stage our soup is good as ready. Oh yeah, bring your stash, your pando, whatever you're using to eat this amazing goodness. If you're still watching this video but you haven't given me a thumbs up, please do well to give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And also please subscribe if you haven't done so already for more amazing videos. Feel free to share it out to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves.